Simple crochet cord. Make a slip knot on your crochet hook. Chain 2. Insert your hook into the first chain. Yarn over and pull up a loop through the chain stitch. You have now 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through both loops. You have now worked 1 single crochet stitch. Chain 1. Insert your hook into the first stitch under the chain. Go under the front loop, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through both loops. You have now worked another single crochet stitch. Repeat. Chain 1, single crochet 1, chain 1, single crochet 1. When ready, cut the yarn and pull the tail through the last loop. Double chain. Make a slip knot on your crochet hook. Leave a long tail. Hold the crochet hook on your dominant hand and the yarn in your other hand. Yarn over using the tail yarn. Place the yarn over the hook from front to back. You have now 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over the working yarn and pull through both loops. This creates your first double chain. Repeat. Yarn over the tail yarn, yarn over the working yarn and pull through both loops on the hook. Repeat. When ready, cut the yarns and pull the tails through the last loop.